The top 5 social media platforms to sell physical goods on. In the present advanced age, social media has become an essential tool for businesses looking to connect with their customers and promote their products. With so many choices accessible, it tends to be overpowering to figure out which is the best fit for your business. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 social media platforms that are perfect to sell physical products, along with their distinctive characteristics, and the kinds of goods for which they are best suited. This video contains useful information that will assist you in achieving success on social media, whether you are the owner of a small business or an online retailer. 1. Social media platform to sell on. Facebook. Facebook is one of the 5 popular social media platforms to sell on the internet. It has 2.7 billion monthly active users. Yes, you heard that correctly. There are numerous ways that you can utilize this platform to sell physical products, which includes 1. Shop. You can use this feature to create an online store on their Facebook page, where customers can directly search for products and make purchases. You can easily showcase your products, and make them easily accessible to potential customers in this convenient manner. 2. Marketplace. This is a Facebook platform where users can trade and buy goods with one another. This feature allows businesses to list their products and reach customers in their area. 3. Facebook ads. Using Facebook's advertising platform, you can promote your products to a specific group of people. You can increase the likelihood of your products being seen by the right people by creating advertisements with specific demographics and interests in mind. 4. Facebook groups. You can use Facebook groups that are related to your products as a way to showcase your products and interact with potential customers. They can also start their own Facebook groups. You can effectively sell physical products on Facebook by utilizing these features and the platform's vast audience. It's important to remember that using Facebook's marketplace feature may come with a cost. Additionally, it's a good idea to review Facebook's selling policies and guidelines. At number 2 is social media platform to sell on. Instagram. Instagram has become a popular platform for businesses to sell physical products. With over 1 billion monthly active users, the platform provides a vast audience for businesses to showcase and sell their products. The platform's visual nature is one of the key characteristics that makes it an effective platform for physical product sales. With the ability to post pictures and videos, businesses can showcase their products in a visually appealing way, which can help attract potential customers. The ability to use hashtags to reach a larger audience is yet another reason why Instagram is an excellent platform for physical product sales. Businesses can make their products visible to users who are looking for specific goods or services by using relevant hashtags. Businesses can use Instagram Stories feature to give their followers a behind-the-scenes look at their products and how they are made, in addition to posting pictures and videos. Customers may feel more connected to you and more likely to make a purchase as a result of this. One way to drive sales on Instagram is to offer special promotions or discounts to followers. Using Instagram's shopping feature, which lets businesses tag products and link them to a purchase page, this can be accomplished. 3. Social media platform to sell on. Pinterest. Like the majority of the social media platforms on this list, Pinterest has well over 250 million monthly active users, and you probably already use it for business or pleasure. However, for those who haven't, it functions similarly to a digital pinboard. It lets people find, save, and share content and ideas, usually in the form of pictures or videos. It is possible for users to pin images, videos, and other content to a variety of boards that can be created by them. Pinterest is frequently utilized for motivation and thoughts connected with design, home decor, food, and more. Businesses can create a Pinterest account and use the platform to promote their products and services. One way to do this is through the Shop feature. This feature allows businesses to sell products directly on Pinterest. At the point when clients see an item they like, they can tap on it to find out more and make a purchase. Another way is through promoted pins. Business accounts can pay for promoted pins, which are basically advertisements that reach a specific audience. Promoted pins are available for purchase by any business account on Pinterest. On the user interface, promoted pins function similarly to standard PPC ads. The fact that promoted pins on Pinterest actually receive just as much engagement, and sometimes even more, than standard pins is one of their primary benefits. Users continue to interact with the pin despite the fact that it is an advertisement, which is good news for brands. Before we continue, kindly help us to put this video in front of many that may need it by clicking on the like button and sharing this video with people that it will interest in your network. Thank you for staying tuned. Moving on to number 4. TikTok. TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create and share short videos and music. It has gained popularity among users of all ages, and has earned its place on the 5 popular social media platforms for businesses to advertise and sell their products. The ability to showcase your products in a creative and engaging way is one of the main advantages of using TikTok as a social media platform to sell physical products. Because TikTok users enjoy content that is creative and entertaining, you can attract potential customers by making videos that are engaging and feature your products. The capacity to reach a large and varied audience is yet another advantage. You can reach a wide range of people who might be interested in your products by using hashtags and participating in popular challenges on TikTok, which has users all over the world. Businesses can easily sell their products on TikTok thanks to the platform's numerous tools and features. You can include a Buy Now button in your videos and link to your online store or product pages. Overall, TikTok can be a powerful tool for businesses looking to sell physical products, as it allows you to showcase your products in a creative and engaging way and reach a large and diverse audience. Finally, at number 5, Twitter. Twitter is a fantastic microblogging platform with as many as 330 million monthly active users. As a result, Twitter is frequently utilized by users to keep abreast of the most recent developments in entertainment, politics, sports, and news. In addition, getting your content in front of your followers does not necessitate spending a lot of money. This is one of the main reasons why this platform is so useful for marketing. There are several ways that businesses can use this social media platform to sell physical products. One way is to tweet about their products, and include a link to their website or online store. This allows businesses to showcase their products to their followers, and make it easy for them to make a purchase. Another way is to participate in Twitter chats and discussions related to your industry or niche. This can help businesses to build their presence on the platform, and engage with potential customers. Additionally, businesses can promote their products, and reach a larger audience by utilizing Twitter's advertising tools. Businesses can target users who are most likely to be interested in their products with Twitter's targeting options. In conclusion, e-commerce innovation has always been about convenience, and social commerce is a growing trend that won't stop. It makes more sense than ever to establish a presence on social media, where your customers already spend their time. Do you have other social media platforms that are perfect to sell physical products? If yes, share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you turn on your notifications so you will be notified when next we post a new video.